Hi, I am Sheikh Pavel, a certified bookkeeper, also certified QuickBooks Online Advanced Pro Advisor and Zero Advisor, with a strong educational background in accounting, finance, and taxations. I offer full service bookkeeping to help you stay organized, competent, and ready for tax season. My services include number one, connect or import bank credit card transactions into QuickBooks Benefit. Number two, accurately transactions categorize income and expense. Number three, monthly account reconciliations. Number four, account receivable and payable management. Number five, profit and loss, balance sheet and cash flow preparation. Let's keep your books clean up and stress free. I am available full-time on Upwork. Send me a message for a free consultation today. Bye bye. Have a nice day.